Any medicine sold in legitimate market in the Philippines goes through a process under the Food and Drug Administration. This is to ensure that medicines are safe and efficient for those who need it. But for imported ones, the agency specifically inspects the good manufacturing practice of every manufacturer. The Department of Health clarifies this after 100 children in Indonesia died while over 200 more were affected due to a cough syrup allegedly made from India.
Wala po tayong rehistrado na ganitong klaseng gamot o kahit anong klaseng gamot galing sa manufacturer na nabanggit dito sa mga articles na to.
With this, the DOH reminds the public to buy medicine only in verified and legitimate drugstores registered in FDA. Consumers should also make sure the medicines are likewise registered in the said agency.
In that way, masisiguro nyo na yung binibili nyong gamot ay merong quality or may dekalidad at saka ito'y magiging ligtas at ito'y magiging epektibo para dun sa sakit na meron kayo.
Asher Kadapan Jr., UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.